We are the next generation mobile ad tech company. Mainly, we are an integrated platform that connects advertisers with publishers to reach the right mobile user with the right message at the right time in a secure way and with full transparency. Campaign count is one of the critical KPIs that we are following. Last year in 2018, we had 30,000 campaigns. And compared to previous years, we had hyper growth on that data. And last year, again, we had 20,000 unique apps added to the platform. And we processed 8 billion clicks in 2018. Today, we have customers from 52 countries, and our global revenue data, which means that revenue generated outside of Turkey is 72%. Approximately, we are doubling each year from 2016. And in terms of main key points for success in that metrics are both product and marketing. Having the easiest to use user acquisition platform, especially for last year, and applying the best marketing tactics after, of course, tons of A/B tests are main drivers for our growth. So as a strategic decision, we raised our payout limit to $1,000, and for this year, we are focusing on replicating best practices on mid-market to big enterprises. We are still happy with the data and revenue we got from long tail, but in order to scale to next level, honestly, we had to make this decision. We believe that optimization and automation and fraud are the main problems. It's real. For instance, last year there are lawsuits between Uber and Fetch. There are some cases from P&G, Unilever. So we are solving these main problems with our AI-based optimization engine and real-time fraud engine. Actually, this is why big brands, startups, and agencies are choosing AppSamurai as their preferred mobile ad platform. Yes, it's very difficult to differentiate, but with tech, I believe that it's also possible. In terms of end value, which are users actually, we have around 5,000 competitors. So even two guys trying to manage everything manually, those guys also are competitor for us. But regarding main ones, AppLovin, AppLift, AppColony, ironSource are some of the competitors. Honestly, I really like ironSource approach because they are trying to differentiate themselves by some strategic moves, like they are focusing on game side, and their intention to fight against fraud actually overlaps with our strategy. Honestly, we are talking about a $100 billion market, and we are excluding branding from that. So it's only for performance marketing in mobile, and it's excluding also walled gardens like Google and Facebook. And in terms of our differentiation and value proposition, in 2025, only fraud economy will even reach to 50 billion. So we believe that the right team and right approach who can create innovative products for those problems, there are huge opportunities for us, for AppSamurai. Interceptd is anti-fraud and also a quality tool. It's mainly solving advertisers' fraud. When you look at the market, so there's supply fraud and demand fraud. We are trying to solve advertisers' fraud, and it's a defense against mobile ad fraud, help advertisers to identify the best channels to spend their money, protect their marketing data, and also increase the profitability of their app with better return on ad spend. Culture is strategy for breakfast, cliche, but yeah. Create an internal coherence in decision-making process by a diverse group of people. Our culture design has two key components that are similar how software and hardware works together. The structured hardware component was implemented to create smaller cross-functional teams and meta teams based on customer journey for each product. It's a custom adaptation of a proven tribes and squads framework. The software part is a custom adaptation of the well-known objective key results framework, which was modified to serve as a unifier for all groups towards a common goal with independent responsibilities. This allows us to provide freedom and challenge teams to get out of their comfort zone. With this structure, we are successfully managing cross-border culture. But I knew that once we will be 100 people, we need to modify that. But for today, it's working perfect. In terms of company or culture side, we want to become a dream place to work for the brightest minds worldwide. I spend huge time in corporate world. I don't want to create a copycat of a corporate company here. So from the beginning, we want to share knowledge and resources within the team and also with the planet. Because with appsamurai.com, we created this and we are sharing all know-how that we have. Also, we want to create an enterprise where the sun never sets. So what excites me when I go sleep, someone from Japan or even Costa Rica are creating campaigns in App Samurai. So it excites me a lot. While we are sleeping in Turkey, somebody is using our product.